In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix MetaQuest Store not loading. If your MetaQuest Store won't open, hangs on a spinner, or shows a blank page on your phone, this walkthrough will help you refresh your account session and cleanly reinstall the app so the store can load properly again. We'll move through the phone app first, then your device settings, and finish with a quick reinstall to clear out any corrupted data. Keep your login details handy so you can sign back in when prompted. Before we begin, here's a quick rescue tip in case things feel completely stuck. Press and hold the power button on your headset for a full 30 seconds to force a deep reboot. You don't have to do this for the steps to work, but if your headset or app seems frozen, that long press can clear underlying glitches that might be blocking the store from loading. Start by opening the MetaQuest Store on your mobile device. Depending on your phone, you may see this inside the main MetaQuest app. Either way, launch the app that hosts the store. Once it's open, sign out of your account completely. Look for your profile or settings icon and choose the option to log out. This clears stale tokens that can prevent the store from fetching fresh content. Next, sign back into the phone app, enter your credentials, and give the app a moment to sync your library and store data. If you see any prompts about permissions, allow the basics so the app can communicate with your headset and the store servers. After you're logged in, check whether the store page now loads. If the issue remains, head to your phone's system settings. Find the section that manages your applications. On most devices, this is called Apps, Applications, or App Management. Open that list, then search for and select the MetaQuest app. You're going here to remove and reinstall the app, so you start with a clean slate. Uninstall the MetaQuest app from this screen. This step wipes cached files and any corrupted store data that might be blocking the page. After it's removed, reinstall the app from your official app store, open it, and log back in. Give it a moment on first launch. It may need a short sync to rebuild your library and pull the latest store content. At this point, the MetaQuest Store should load normally. If it does, you're all set. If not, repeat the sign out and sign in once more to refresh the session, and you should be good to go.